fact, you can even be a green traveler when you're in places not so green, like Akron, Ohio, in the middle of winter. Here, the big thing to save money and realize fuel economy is not necessarily what you drive, but what you're driving on. I'm talking about tires. Tires. You already know how important they are for speed and handling of your vehicle, but it's the quality and fuel efficiency aspect of good tires that can drive environmental stewardship.
Fuel economy is very important from an environmental point of view, from a sustainability point of view, but it is also important from an economical point of view. We help the consumers save money when they are going to the gas station.
Now, tires might seem like a mundane subject, but when a revolutionary new fuel-efficient tire is introduced in the industry, it draws attention, not just from green travelers, but also from high-tech publications.
With the 100 best innovations of the year, we're looking for things that are revolutionary and not just evolutionary. The thing about the Goodyear tires is that they worked really, really hard to turn something mundane into a more efficient green thing. And that turns out to be even harder than inventing a whole new car.
With over 100 years of experience in innovation and research on tires, Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company has excelled in finding new ways to improve handling and increase gas mileage from tires. Much of that research now is on alternative and renewable materials to replace the use of natural rubber.
Well, most of our raw materials are petroleum derived. So what we are working on is to develop new materials that are renewable. And we have one very successful project going on, and that is what we call bioisoprene. Isoprene is the brick of rubber. And what we are working on is to develop a biotechnological way to synthesize isoprene.
And the latest revolutionary product to come out of the research labs of Goodyear? The Fuel Max tire.
The tire is called the Fuel Max, and what is really revolutionary is that we meet two objectives at the same time. We significantly improve fuel economy, and at the same time we maintain wet traction. So the consumer can save energy and can save money, but at the same time remains very safe.
The surface of the tire is designed such that it has a lot less rolling resistance. There's less friction as it moves forward over the road, and as a result you get 4% better fuel economy over the life of the car. Basically, per year you can save as much as 2,600 miles worth of gas, and so that kind of thing, being able to just slap it onto any car and have that kind of new fuel efficiency is really an amazing thing.
To roll a tire you need energy. Now the good thing about that is that with our Fuel Max tire you need less energy than with a standard tire. And to show you how this works, we have a little demo here with rubber balls. This ball has a compound, a rubber compound, that is very similar to one that we have in a standard tire. This ball has a rubber compound that is very similar to what we have in our Fuel Max tires. And the compound with the ball with a Fuel Max compound will roll a bigger distance than the other one, and I will show you how this will work. The way we calculated over the life of a tire with a Fuel Max, you can drive 2,600 additional miles of gas. So even if tires are something hard to keep clean, they are something you can do your part to keep green.